What's up? It's Taylor Grant with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Okay, today's comes to us from Joe of Arvada, Colorado. They are a bunch of thieves. Was only with them for 10 months. They always try and come up with different ways and reasons to raise your rates, and not just a little. They try to rake people over the coals. They try to raise our insurance over a supposed inspection to almost $1,000 more per year. The inspector reported we had a hip roof. Lie, it's a gable. They tried to say we had wood siding. Wrong, it's vinyl. They tried to and said we had a 2-car garage. Wrong, it's a 1-car. They tried to say we had hardwood floors. Wrong, they've never seen the inside of the house and were never at my house to begin with. Now, I hear this a lot. These supposed inspectors are at your property, and guess what, Mr. and Mrs. Inspector from the insurance company? People have cameras now. It's very easy to see what's going on. So I actually had somebody write in and tell us, we have security cameras at the house. They told us they were there at 11 o'clock on such and such day. We looked from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Nobody showed up. Exactly. So that's what Joe is saying is no one was at the property to begin with. They just made a bunch of assumptions on this property and try to jack their rates. Now, this is the deal. Insurance companies mitigate risk every single day. When you become a risk by making a claim or being with them a certain amount of time, they understand the longer you're with them, more likely that you are to make a claim. So what does that mean? Well, they try to get rid of you for however way they're trying to do it. They're trying to get rid of you for a reason, is because you're becoming a risk to them and their bottom line. And that's the unfortunate part. These multi-billion-dollar for-profit corporation insurance companies really care more about profits than they do people. And that's unfortunate. And I think that changed about 20 years ago. You can look up From Good Hands to Boxing Gloves, okay? And a case in, I believe it was in federal court, that basically proved that these insurance companies have turned into these money-making machines by doing 3 things. And I'll say it's 4 things. Delaying claims, denying claims, defending claims, meaning taking people to court, like you have to take the insurance company to court to try to get paid, but also diminishing claims, okay? Underpaying claims. So the game has changed, and you have to have somebody that knows what's going on, working on your behalf, pushing back against the insurance company, that we're not scared to do that. A lot of people don't know how to do it, so they're a little timid or don't want to push back as hard as it needs to be. That's what we're here for, right? We work on your behalf. You're the property owner and the policy holder. That's who we work for. Okay, so if you have a commercial property or residential property or a multifamily, if you're a property manager and you manage commercial or multifamily properties and you have a hailstorm in Colorado or a fire or a lightning storm or windstorm, something like that, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.